What's up guys, back for another video. Mr. Toto here, and you might be like, what are these? And to answer your question, back here we have this. Is this good? Kawaii Japan things, and then you see these other companies that's made by them are Funko and Paka. So we've already unboxed them. There is this tiger shrimp on top of rice, the sushi roll, very cute. There's the Maniko good luck charm in Japan with the weave hands. And then there's Yukataro. Well, I'm pretty sure that's what it was called, I don't know. But yeah, very cute and stuff. And then there's Earthman with Japan shirt, but I'm pretty sure Earth does not have an eyeball in Asia and an eyeball in Africa and eyebrows, and I'm pretty sure there's not a ginormous mouth in the middle of the ocean.
You sure about that?
Well, anyways, we have, see?
That we haven't opened yet?
Yeah, that we haven't opened them, 5 of them. And so, putting 4 of them away, we're gonna take this one, we're gonna box them. Okay, we've got it off. So yeah, we have got enough, and we're gonna pop it. We got Rolly! So there's the list. They also have 2 different brands. So the one on the very left, the one that says Kawaii Japan on it, is all the ones you can get. There's the Commons, which is a 1 in 12. There's the Chase, which is a 1 in 18. And then there's the Hyper Rare, a 1 in 36. So we've unboxed 8 before. So this is a common. This Rolly is a common. This is a common. I got another one. It's just somewhere else right now. We have this. This is a Chase. This is also a Chase. So yeah, we're gonna open the other ones. So this one, gotta roll it down. Come on. Come on. All right. What do you think it is? It is another Earthman. Oh no, there's 2. Wait, there's 2 Earths? Oh no. Which one are we on?
Multiverse.
A parallel universe. Also, on the other side, where it shows the checklist, it shows the stuff, like the names and stuff. There it is. If you want to read it, pause the video and read it. Yeah, you can see the bonus figure, and then it's Rolly. This is sad. Rolly is happy to feed you with sticky rice and tuna. I thought it was salmon. It's orange. What? It's orange. How is it tuna? We have number 3. Cast your votes in the comments and see which one it will be. I'm hoping for sushi or the metallic one. So anyways, let's pop it. What? We got another duplicate. Another glitter. What is our luck with duplicates? No, we need new ones. So one of them is going to be the bonus figure, that's for sure. This is a new one. It's the temple thing. What's the name? It is Terra, the house. And also, apparently, it does say that it is glow in the dark. Woo, super cool. This is gonna be very sad, the last one. Hopefully I can get the sushi chef. Please work, please work, please. I really want a sushi chef, please. Come on. Please. The last. Yes! Oh, we got the metallic! Yes! We got sushi chef. I'm holding it by the hat. Yes! We got it! So, yeah. Oh, wait. Does it stand? Please tell me it stands. Oh no, it doesn't stand. What? Well, then I'm gonna do that. So now, we have 2 more. We added them. There's this one, the Goblin Man. Goblin Man. And then there's Bear Man. Iron Bear. Woo! I'm Bear. And yeah, that's this is all of them that we've already unwrapped. And the link in the description will take you to the website where you can get more of them. So if you want to show them, yeah, like this cute rolly man. So that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you click the. Oh, he fell over again.
The sushi chef that falls on the stand.
I don't know, but he didn't balance right. So, anyways, make sure you click the like button, like the blue in the ocean, and the subscribe button, like the red on Samurai Man. And yeah, Mr. Toto out. I don't want to end the video.
You want it to go on forever?
I want to buy 25 more.
You want a conveyor belt of these things?